Hey, what's up? I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to be talking about Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a cloud-based software platform that helps teams collaborate and manage work. It's a really powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, from project management to marketing to sales. But the question on everyone's mind is, does Smartsheet pay well? Well, the answer is yes and no. It depends on a number of factors, including your experience, location, and the specific role you're applying for. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the things you need to consider when evaluating whether or not Smartsheet is a good career choice for you. Smartsheet is a relatively young company, and it's still growing rapidly. This means that there are plenty of opportunities for career advancement. In fact, Smartsheet has been ranked as one of the best places to work in the United States for the past 3 years. The company offers a variety of benefits to its employees, including competitive salary, health insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, 401k retirement plan, paid time off, parental leave, flexible work schedule, on-site gym, free snacks and drinks. In addition to these benefits, Smartsheet also offers employees the opportunity to work on some of the most exciting projects in the world. The company is used by a wide variety of organizations, including government agencies, Fortune 500 companies, and small businesses. So, if you're looking for a challenging and rewarding career in the tech industry, Smartsheet may be a good option for you. Here are some of the things you need to consider when evaluating whether or not Smartsheet is a good career choice for you. Your experience. The more experience you have, the higher your salary is likely to be. Your location. Salaries in some areas of the country are higher than in others. Your role. Some roles at Smartsheet pay more than others. The company's growth. As Smartsheet continues to grow, there will be more opportunities for career advancement. It's important to do your research before applying for a job at Smartsheet. You can find information about salaries and benefits on the company's website and on job boards like Glassdoor. Here are some additional tips for negotiating your salary. Do your research. Know what the average salary is for your role and location. Be prepared to negotiate. Don't be afraid to ask for more money. Be confident. Let the interviewer know that you're a valuable asset to the company. Be flexible. Be willing to compromise on your salary if necessary. So, does Smartsheet pay well? The answer is yes, but it depends on a number of factors. If you're looking for a challenging and rewarding career in the tech industry, Smartsheet may be a good option for you. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.